If you're looking to embrace cruelty-free beauty products, vegan makeup is the way to go. Not only are these products free of animal-derived ingredients, but they also deliver stunning results without compromising quality. In this video, we'll dive into 5 of the best vegan makeup brands on the market: Tarte Cosmetics, Fenty Beauty, Milk Makeup, e.l.f. Cosmetics, and Kat Von D Beauty. Whether you're a beauty newbie or a pro, these products will elevate your makeup game while aligning with your values. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 1, Tarte Cosmetics. Tarte Cosmetics is known for its commitment to cruelty-free beauty, offering a wide range of high-quality vegan makeup products. From their foundations to eyeshadows, Tarte has garnered a loyal fan base for its skin-loving formulas and eco-conscious packaging. With a focus on clean beauty, Tarte ensures that every product is free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it a great option for those who prioritize both animal welfare and their skin's health. Key features: Tarte Cosmetics offers a variety of vegan products, with their popular Shape Tape Concealer being a standout. It's available in multiple shades, providing full coverage and a smooth finish. Other popular products include the Tarte and Bloom Clay Palette, which offers a collection of versatile neutral shades, and the Amazonian Clay Blush, which is renowned for its long-lasting color. Tarte's vegan products also incorporate nourishing ingredients like maracuja oil and aloe. Benefits and usage: Tarte products are designed to enhance your natural beauty with long-lasting, blendable formulas. The Shape Tape Concealer, for instance, works wonders in covering imperfections, dark circles, and blemishes while providing a matte finish that lasts all day. The Amazonian Clay Blush is perfect for achieving a fresh, natural flush, while the Tarte palette gives you endless eye looks, from subtle to dramatic. Tarte's products are known for being buildable, so you can customize your look to suit any occasion. Usability: Tarte's products are easy to apply and ideal for both beginners and professionals. The Shape Tape Concealer comes with a large applicator that allows for precise application, and it blends seamlessly into the skin. The Tarte palette has a range of matte and shimmer finishes, making it easy to create multiple eye-catching looks. Whether you're going for a soft, everyday look or a bold, smoky eye, Tarte's vegan products make it simple to achieve professional results. Durability: Tarte's makeup is known for its impressive staying power. The Shape Tape Concealer doesn't budge, even during long days, while the Amazonian Clay Blush is formulated to last up to 12 hours without fading. The Tarte palette's shadows are highly pigmented and blend effortlessly, with staying power that won't crease or smudge. Tarte's vegan formulas are designed to be both beautiful and durable, ensuring that your makeup stays put all day. In the second spot, we have Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty, created by the iconic Rihanna, has made waves in the beauty industry with its inclusive range of shades and commitment to cruelty-free, vegan formulations. Fenty Beauty's goal is to offer products that are accessible to everyone, with a focus on creating makeup that enhances all skin tones. With a variety of high-performance products, Fenty Beauty has quickly become a favorite among makeup lovers worldwide. Key features: Fenty Beauty offers a comprehensive range of vegan products, including their popular Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Foundation, the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter, and the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. The Pro Filt'r Foundation is available in an impressive 50 shades, catering to every skin tone, while the Killawatt Highlighter gives a radiant, buildable glow. Fenty's products are also formulated to work well with different skin types, from oily to dry. Benefits and usage: Fenty Beauty's products are known for their versatility and high performance. The Pro Filt'r Foundation provides full coverage with a smooth matte finish, perfect for those looking for long-lasting wear. The Killawatt Highlighter is ideal for adding a pop of luminosity to the high points of your face, whether you prefer a subtle sheen or an intense glow. Fenty's Gloss Bomb delivers a universally flattering shine and non-sticky formula, making it a must-have in any makeup bag. Usability: Fenty Beauty products are designed to be user-friendly, making them great for both beginners and makeup enthusiasts. The Pro Filt'r Foundation comes in a sleek, easy-to-use bottle with a pump for mess-free application. The Kilowatt Highlighter is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups, and the Gloss Bomb's Doe Foot Applicator makes it easy to apply with precision. Fenty Beauty's products are highly blendable, and the formulas work seamlessly to create a flawless, long-lasting look. Durability: Fenty Beauty's vegan products are made to withstand the day, offering excellent staying power without fading or wearing off. The Pro Filt'r foundation lasts for up to 12 hours, providing a matte finish that doesn't transfer or oxidize. The Kilowatt Highlighter is designed to give a radiant glow that lasts, and the Gloss Bomb keeps your lips hydrated without the need for frequent reapplications. Fenty Beauty ensures that its vegan products stay intact from morning to night. Coming in at number 3 is the Milk Makeup. Milk Makeup is known for its innovative and sustainable approach to beauty, offering a full range of vegan and cruelty-free products that deliver high performance. With a focus on clean ingredients and environmentally friendly packaging, Milk Makeup is dedicated to creating products that align with both beauty standards and eco-conscious values. Whether you're looking for a skincare makeup hybrid or a full glam look, Milk Makeup has you covered. Key features: Milk Makeup offers a variety of vegan products, including their best-selling Kush Mascara, which is formulated with hemp-derived cannabis oil for a volumizing effect. Their Bionic Blush is a gel cream formula that blends easily into the skin, providing a natural flush of color. Milk Makeup also features the Sunshine Skin Tint, which is a lightweight, buildable foundation that provides a fresh, dewy finish while nourishing the skin with aloe vera and avocado. Benefits and usage: Milk Makeup's vegan products are formulated to deliver both beauty and skincare benefits. The Kush Mascara gives lashes an intense lift and volume without clumping, while the Bionic Blush provides a natural, dewy finish that enhances your skin's natural glow. The Sunshine Skin Tint is ideal for those looking for lightweight, breathable coverage that feels comfortable throughout the day. Milk Makeup's products are designed to work seamlessly with your skin for a flawless, healthy-looking finish. Usability: Milk Makeup's vegan products are incredibly easy to use, with packaging designed for convenience. The Kush Mascara comes with a thick wand that allows for easy application, adding volume and length in just a few swipes. The Bionic Blush is easy to blend with your fingertips or a brush, and the Sunshine Skin Tint can be applied directly to the face for a smooth, even finish. Milk Makeup's products are designed to be effortless, so you can achieve a fresh look with minimal time and effort. Durability: Milk Makeup's vegan formulas are designed to last throughout the day. The Kush Mascara provides smudge-proof, long-lasting volume, while the Bionic Blush offers a flush of color that doesn't fade. The Sunshine Skin Tint provides buildable coverage without feeling heavy or cakey, and it stays put without needing frequent touch-ups. Milk Makeup ensures that its vegan products are as durable as they are effective, so you can enjoy a flawless look from morning until night. Taking our 4th spot is e.l.f. Cosmetics. e.l.f. Cosmetics has revolutionized the drugstore beauty market with its affordable, vegan, and cruelty-free products. Known for its budget-friendly yet high-performing makeup, e.l.f. has earned a loyal following for its commitment to quality without compromising on price. With a wide range of products available, e.l.f. makes it easy for everyone to access vegan makeup that delivers professional results. Key features: e.l.f. offers an impressive selection of vegan makeup, including their Poreless Putty Primer, the bite-size eyeshadow palettes, and the Wow Brow Gel. The Poreless Putty Primer is designed to smooth the skin's texture and create a flawless base for makeup. The bite-size palettes offer a variety of trendy shades, while the Wow Brow Gel defines and shapes brows for a natural look. e.l.f. is also known for its eco-friendly packaging, making it a top choice for those who value sustainability. Benefits and usage: e.l.f. products are perfect for anyone looking for high-quality vegan makeup at an affordable price. The Poreless Putty Primer fills in pores and creates a smooth base for foundation, while the bite-size eyeshadow palettes allow you to create versatile eye looks without breaking the bank. The Wow Brow Gel provides a natural finish, holding brows in place without feeling stiff. e.l.f. products are formulated to deliver long-lasting, buildable coverage that's suitable for every skin type. Usability: e.l.f. products are incredibly easy to use, even for makeup beginners. The Poreless Putty Primer applies smoothly and creates a matte finish, while the bite-size eyeshadow palettes are perfect for quick, on-the-go eye looks. The Wow Brow Gel's applicator makes it easy to define brows, adding volume without clumping. e.l.f.'s products are designed to blend seamlessly, ensuring that you can achieve a flawless look without any hassle. Durability. Despite their affordable price tag, e.l.f. products offer impressive durability. The Poreless Putty Primer helps foundation last longer, while the bite-size eyeshadow palettes stay vibrant throughout the day. The Wow Brow Gel holds brows in place without flaking or smudging. e.l.f. ensures that its vegan makeup products offer excellent staying power, so you can look fresh all day long.